weather on the way for this afternoon and tonight. Some of it will be heavy, perhaps even thundery, so watch out in the rush hour. Not good news for the Midlands either, where we've seen the recent flooding. This could make matters worse once again. Now, at the moment, you can see where that wet weather is. It's a bit further westwards than we said earlier on, but it is still moving its way northwards, and it will push up across northwest England, Northern Ireland, before gradually moving its way eastwards as we go through this evening and overnight. But by then, we'll have another band of rain working its way in from the west as well, and it's going to stay pretty unsettled beyond that as well. There's the next weather system. It's going to produce mainly light rain, I think, but as that moves its way through, another one is waiting in the wings to push its way through during Friday and Saturday. As we head into Sunday, this weather front may grind to a halt across the southeast corner, and that means it could be a pretty wet weekend in the southeast during Saturday and Sunday, with showers coming in behind associated with that area of low pressure. Well, back to the day, the weather front is up through the Irish Sea, and that's where we're seeing the rain at the moment then. It will be pushing its way northwards as we go through this afternoon, up into central and southern Scotland, and ahead of it, where we've got some very warm weather at the moment, we could see some thunderstorms developing. That rain pushing its way gradually northwards and eastwards during this evening, and then Northern Ireland and southwest England brightening up a little bit. Temperatures today, well, they've been quite amazing, really. In London, 18, perhaps we could see a 19 in the next hour or so. Elsewhere, not too bad either, around 12 to 14, perhaps even 16 for some of you. As we go through to midnight, we lose that wet and thundery rain away towards the east. It dries up for a time then, and then the next band of rain works its way in towards Northern Ireland and southwest England by the time we get through to dawn. Temperatures tonight, well, not particularly low, perhaps at the very lowest around 5. As we go through Thursday morning, we're going to get rid of this batch of rain fairly early on in the southeast and also the northeast. Bright and dry for many then, but then that next band of rain will work its way in, with temperatures getting up to around 12 to 13, so certainly not as warm as today. Now, I'm showing you these charts because during Friday, Saturday and Sunday, it's going to be very hard to actually put any detail on the timing of those weather fronts at this stage, but certainly there will be some more wet weather waiting in the wings. Friday then starting off in the west, pushing its way north and eastwards. Saturday moving eastwards as we go through the day, only to be replaced by showers. And then on Sunday, as I said, that weather front could well hang on in the southeast, making it pretty wet for the end of the weekend. Temperature as well around 10 to 13, so not